Hello there, my name is Guillaume Duran. I'm a data engineer at Passerelle, and today I'm going to show you how the Data Rocket dynamic ingestion can save you some maintenance headache when a source system table structure change, how we automatically and dynamically adjust target tables in our Snowflake staging layer. We call this dynamic staging column adjustment. For this example, let me use sales order header table from a fixatious ERP. This would be your typical sales order header. We got some order dates, PO number information, customer's ID, shipping address, billing address, credit card validation, and on and on. This row is already in Snowflake. It's already in my staging layer. I've got one version of it. Now let's look at the source system. For this example, let's pretend my ERP vendor dropped an update and the structure change. I may have a new column, some data type change. So this is this exact same row as it is at the moment in the source system. Now let's pretend I run this update and I just add a new column called additional comment. And let me populate this additional comment with some values. And this is how the data looks like. So this same sales order header, if I scroll to the right, I got my new additional comment columns with some values here. Now let's go to Talend and run our dynamic ingestion. What I would expect after this run is to see a new row, a new version for that same sales order header ID with the new columns, and that would become our version number 2. The first version will still stay in our staging data lake, but it would be closed and inactive. Alright, now that the job is completed, let's look at the data in Snowflake once again. As expected, I now have a second version of this row. If I scroll to the right side of it, I can see that my additional column has been added with my value. I can see this has now become the version number 2. This is the current active record. And I can look and see that the first one was active from June 28 till today. And this next new version, version 2, is active as of today until, well, so far the end of time. I hope you like it and you appreciate this video showing how we could dynamically adjust columns in a target staging layer in Snowflake.